matter, Einstein? Why are you crying? Why are you crying, Einstein? What do you want? Oh, we know what you want. Okay, we won't torture you anymore. We won't torture you anymore. I'll take the camera, and we will see what Einstein is crying and begging for. Come on, Einstein. Is this what you want? This is what she wants. She wants dish cabinet time. Now she's as happy as a clam. She loves dish cabinet time. We don't know why. It's some strange birdie phenomenon. But she cries and she cries and she cries until she gets into that dish cabinet. Yes, that's right. And now Mommy has to remove all the glass and then insert a toy or two. No, you can't have that. And then Einstein can play in her dish cabinet where she has some strange obsession for. Yes. Okay, Einstein. There you go. Oops, that's a piece of glass. That's a piece of glass we will remove. But basically, she squeaks, she cries, she becomes quite frantic until she gets her dish cabinet time. Once she's in her dish cabinet, she's a happy clam. She's just a little upset over the camera. She's gurgling, Daddy. She's gurgling over the camera, Daddy. You hear her? Okay, I'm going to shut off the camera so she's not upset anymore and she can play in the dish cabinet. We'll be right back after these messages. And that spot on her head? Oh, that's just an oil stain from some salad she ate.